Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Delta 1400 series tub or shower faucet won't stop dripping, the handle is getting hard to turn, or the water temperature isn't working right, there's a good chance the cartridge inside the valve has worn out. The good news? You don't need to call a plumber or spend hundreds of dollars. Today I'm going to show you step by step how to fix a leaking Delta 1400 series tub and shower faucet by replacing the cartridge. This repair is easier than most people think, and with a few basic tools you can get your shower working like new again. Let's get started. Step 1. Turn off the water. Before we do anything, we need to turn off the water supply. You can do this in one of two ways. Turn off the main water valve for the house, or use the shut-off valves if your shower valve has built-in stops. Once the water is off, turn the shower handle on briefly to release any pressure left in the line. This prevents water from spraying out when we remove the cartridge. Step 2. Remove the shower handle. Now we can start taking the faucet apart. First, look at the front of the handle. Most Delta 1400 handles have a small set screw underneath. Use an Allen key to loosen that screw. Once it's loose, simply pull the handle straight off the valve stem. If the handle hasn't been removed in a long time, it might feel stuck. Just wiggle it gently while pulling outward. Step 3. Remove the trim plate. Next, we need to remove the decorative trim plate, also called a scutcheon. You'll usually find 2 screws holding it to the wall. Use a screwdriver to remove those screws. Once the screws are out, pull the trim plate forward. Sometimes there's a thin foam gasket or a little silicone behind it, so pull gently. Now you should be able to see the brass valve body and the cartridge assembly. Step 4. Pull out the old cartridge. This is often the hardest part of the repair, especially if the cartridge has been in there for many years. Grab the cartridge stem within plier wrench counterclockwise. If it doesn't move easily, try gently rocking it back and forth while pulling. Sometimes a cartridge puller tool helps. Remove stubborn cartridges. Eventually, the cartridge will slide out of the valve body. Once it's out, take a look at the rubber seals and internal parts. You'll usually see where buildup or damage that cause a leak. Step 5. Install the new cartridge. Now take your new Delta 1400 replacement cartridge. Apply a small amount of plumber's grease to the rubber seals. This helps the cartridge slide in smoothly and protects the seals. Line up the cartridge with the valve body and push it straight in until it sits fully in place. Make sure it is oriented correctly so the hot and cold water mix properly. Step 6. Reinstall the trim and handle. Now we can put everything back together. First, reinstall the trim plate and tighten the screws. Next, slide the handle back onto the cartridge stem. Tighten the small set screw with your Allen key. Everything should now be secure. Step 7. Turn the water back on and test. Now go ahead and turn the water supply back on. Slowly turn the shower handle and test the faucet. Check for smooth handle movement, proper hot and cold mixing, no dripping from the shower head or tub spout. If everything looks good, your repair is complete. Your Delta 1400 shower faucet should now be working like new. Replacing a Delta 1400 series cartridge is one of the most common shower repairs, and it's a great DIY project that can save you a lot of money. With just a few tools and a little patience, you can stop that annoying leak and extend the life of your faucet. If this video helped you fix your leaking shower, make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more DIY plumbing repairs, and leave a comment below if you have questions or another repair you'd like to see. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next project.